All right, so as always, don't worry about getting the movements perfect. Just follow along the best you can. I'll be your mirror image, and you can have a seat at any time. We'll begin with the feet together or as close as you can, the hands down by the sides. And as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front. Draw the hands in towards the heart and then down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in and breathing out. One more time. Nice and slow. And then step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front. The arms float down. The knees and hips soften as we open the door, starting out onto the path. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, open the door. And then from here, the arms circle all the way around, cross the wrists right in front of the heart. Then as you breathe in, the arms open out to the sides. And as you breathe out, cross the wrists in front of the heart. We call this one toning the lungs. Breathing in, breathing out. Really opening the chest, sending energy to the lungs. One more time, toning the lungs. And then from here, the arms float down, circle in front, hug the tree. Step one foot in. You can either step the feet together or just as close as you can. And as you breathe in, the arms open. And as you breathe out, this hand here is going to float right across. The other hand presses behind. Breathing in, coming back to center. Breathing out, the flying dragon. It's a nice gentle rotation. Like your dragon wings are floating across. One more time, breathing in, breathing out. The arms open, circle in front, hug the tree. Step one foot out, about hip width apart. And then from here, the arms open up wide, the hands float down, the palms face forward. The hands come forward all the way up and over, then the fingertips point down. Coming right down the center, and then out to the sides. And the arms float down, palms face forward, coming right up the center, fingertips point down. We call this one toning the heart. Palms face forward, coming up, fingertips point down, floating out to the sides. One more time, toning the heart. Coming right up and over and down. This time, circle in front, hug the tree. From here, both hands drift over to the side and down, floating up to shoulder height. This hand here faces up, the other hand faces down as we hold the tray, drifting across. And then switch. The other palm faces up, the other one comes down. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, holding the tray. And then both hands float down, circle in front, hugging the tree. The arms open wide, the hands float down by the sides, and then reverse direction with the arms, floating up and over. The backs of the hands face each other, and spiral the hands down the center. Floating up, backs of the hands face each other at first, and then spiral the hands down as we nourish the three treasures: the mind, body, and breath, or spirit. Breathing in, breathing out one more time, nourishing the three treasures. This time the arms float out to the sides. The arms float down, the backs of the hands face each other. They float right up the center and then drift out to the sides, the fountain. Breathing in, breathing out, just really letting go. As we learn to move like water, soft but powerful. Rising up, softening down. One more time, the fountain. This time the palms face up. They float up the center. Then the hands press overhead, floating all the way out and down, holding up the sky. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. How much can you let go? Moving mindfully. One more time, holding up the sky. And then reverse direction with the arms. They float right out to the sides. And then this hand here is going to push all the way up towards the sky. The other one comes across as we push and reach. And the arms float out to the sides, and we'll go the other way. This hand floats up, the other one presses right across. Nice gentle stretch. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, push and reach. And then from here, the arms float out to the sides and down. Circle in front, hug the tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider. And then from here, the hands come together in prayer position, right in front of the heart as you soften down. Then as you lift up towards the sky, you can look in the opposite direction, coming back down the center, turning the other way, as the dragon looks side to side. Coming down to center, the hands float up. One more time. And then this time the hands turn onto their sides. They float right across the eye level, and then across the heart, and then across the lower abdomen, the swimming dragon. The hands float back up for another round, coming across, opening the wrists and the elbows and shoulders. And you can keep the feet as they are, or you can step one foot in a little bit closer as the hands float back up again. The swimming dragon. This time with the feet a little bit closer. The hands float back up. Another round. Coming across up high, medium, and then down low. And then once again, you can step the feet together or as close as you can as the hands float up. This time the hips can sway out to the sides if you like as well. All right, and then one more round, swimming dragon. The hands float up, drifting across, a little bit lower, and once more. And then release, round out, hugging the tree. And then you can step one foot out, about hip width apart. And then from here, both hands float over to the side and down. And then this hand here lifts the moon into the sky. The palm faces down as it drifts across. The other hand lifts the moon. And once again, just a gentle rotation, never forcing it, just easing in. One more time, lifting the moon. This time, both hands float up as we gaze at the moon. Palms facing the sky. Drift across as we go the other way. Still breathing, moving mindfully. One more time, gazing at the moon. And the hands float down, they circle in front, hug the tree. Then step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, the fingertips point down as you soften down towards the earth. The hands come forward, all the way up and over, and then down in front of the body. Digging in the garden. Coming down just as much as you can comfortably. Rising up. One more time. Digging in the garden. And then reverse direction with the hands, floating up and over, out, and down. Coming back up the center. Harvesting from the garden. Circle around. One more time. And then round out the arms in front, hugging the tree. The arms open wide. This hand scoops under, the other one on top as you embrace the moon. And then pivot on the heel, the toes point out to the side. The moon orbits the earth as the hands circle around, as if the hands are lightly resting on the moon, just going for the ride. And then reverse direction with the hands. Once again, just a gentle rotation. One more time. And then when you're ready, you can hug the tree, bring it back to center, the arms open. Then this hand scoops under, the other one on top, embrace the moon, pivot on the heel, toes point out to the side, the moon orbits the earth, circulating the energy, strengthening the core, feeling the flow. And then reverse direction. The moon orbits the earth. One more time. And then when you're ready, you can hug the tree, bring it back to center, step one foot in a little bit closer. From here, the arms open wide, the hands float down by the sides. This time, the arms float all the way up and over, the palms face the body, coming right down the center. Then the hands turn, the hands float up to shoulder height and down. Once again, floating up and over, palms face towards the body as we come down, then rotating the hands as they float up and down. We call this flowing like water. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, flowing like water. The arms circle up and over, coming down, then right up in front and down. Beautiful. The arms float out to the sides, spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face up, one hand on top of the other. This hand floats all the way up and over, and then down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up. Breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time, both arms float all the way up and over. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down. This time, the hands circle in front as if you had a big ball in front of the body, coming all the way around and under, back up to the heart and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down, and then this time making a diamond shape with the hands right in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen or just down by your sides. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly. Bamboo in the wind. Feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And then if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. Thank you so much for watching. Your next step is to download your free monthly clickable calendar with daily Tai Chi and Qigong videos. Just click the first link in the video description below to download your free monthly clickable calendar, and I'll see you in the next video.